All right, go ahead, Izzy.
Yeah. Ready? What? Turn it off or turn the key off? Oh, you're scared. Okay, go ahead.
All right, shut it off. There's no coolant in it.
Huh?
Shut it off. There's no coolant in it.
Dude, you can run it for minutes before you.